Hello and welcome to my craft room. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net and we're here today with another great craft video. So let's get started making our project for today. Alright, so we have 3 free printable bookmarks. We have a donut, a pizza, and a watermelon, and I will drop a link in the description below where you can download all 3. Then you just download them. It will be a zip file. You'll unzip that and print whatever ones you would like. So this is the donut, for example. And then you're also going to need your scissors, and you'll just cut carefully around the entire bookmark. You'll also need some kind of tape. I'm using a double-sided adhesive. You could also use glue or anything like that to assemble it. And that's basically all you need. So you just cut out the entire thing, and then you're going to fold it. So what you do is fold both semicircular pieces over towards the square piece, overlapping your semicircles. Then you're just going to use some double-sided adhesive or glue to glue the 2 semicircles together. You don't glue the square at all, just the semicircles together. And now it's ready for your book. So when you're reading your book and you're ready to mark your place, you just add some pages to that corner bookmark, shut your book, and it's ready to go. So if you have some kids at home right now and they're maybe enjoying their reading or not enjoying their reading, you can make it a little bit more enjoyable with a few corner bookmarks that they can make themselves. So print yours for free today. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you will make the project that you saw today. If you loved this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. You'll also want to head over to our YouTube channel, as we have tons of creative videos that you might love using a Cricut machine and other crafty videos as well. You'll want to subscribe while you're there so you don't miss any of our new videos. You can also ask any questions that you have about anything we've covered today in the comment section below, and we will get to those as soon as we can because we love comments. Thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.